What's the problem?
I'm supposed to be creating a free running video, but I dropped this tab and now I'm kind of having trouble focusing. You're not a green lizard, are you?
No.
I don't think I should be running. I mean, but if I don't post this thing, the goblins are going to get me. Can you help me out, friend? You're my friend, right?
Free running?
Yeah, just do whatever, man. I mean, use your wings if you want. Fly, baby, fly!
Impressive!
Whoa, who is that guy?
Very skilled!